Welcome to this Dark Escapes tutorial where you get to #escape with us for a few minutes and learn more about today's music industry. In the next couple of minutes, we'll explain the basics of music royalties, including how you, the songwriter, is entitled to a big share of the royalties. Let's assume that, like many, you have heard the term royalties, and you probably already know that it has something to do with getting paid when your song has been used. Well, let's dig a bit deeper to understand what it really means and learn about some of the different types of music royalties out there today. Music royalties are indeed payments made to songwriters, composers, publishers and other copyright holders in exchange for the use of intellectual property. That means if you write a song, you are the copyright owner of that song. If someone wants to use your song, then they need to pay you an agreed or standard amount each time that song is used. So far so good, right? Now, there are different types of royalties, and we will cover these in more depth in later videos, so don't forget to subscribe now. Before we go any further, it's important to understand the two main categories of music royalties, and they are master royalties, or royalties paid on the master file of a recorded musical work, and composition royalties, royalties paid on the melody and or lyrics of a musical work. The most common types of music royalties are streaming royalties, neighbouring rights, digital performance royalties, sync licensing fees, public performance royalties, mechanical royalties, and printed sheet music royalties. In most cases, the songwriter will be paid an automatic 50% of most royalties, unless they have signed over their rights to someone else. Next, a publisher, if one has been appointed, will collect what is known as the publisher's share of all composition royalties, which is commonly the other 50%. The publisher will then pay the songwriter, or owner of the copyright, a further agreed percentage from that publisher's share, depending on the agreement made. If you have got all that, then well done. You now have a better than average understanding of the basics of the music business. So, to recap, an artist creates a song, the artist makes a deal with a publisher and a distribution intermediary, the song is distributed and played, the publisher collects composition royalties, the distributor collects master royalties, and finally, the artist gets paid their share. If you want to know more about this topic and many more, just click subscribe, then scroll down to find some of the many links in the description below. And if you have any questions, the experienced team at Dark Escapes is always happy to help. Just jump on our website and browse the resources section, send us a message, or head across to our Facebook page, Dark Escapes Publishing, and join our growing online community. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to escape with us.